Hello, welcome to our channel.
Today we are going to be making foamy hot chocolate.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications and comment. Let's get to it.
We will need hot chocolate powder,
Heavy cream or double cream,
marshmallows optional,
sugar.
and milk.
So let's start. To a medium-sized pot, add half a cup of cocoa powder.
And now add half a cup of sugar. Now for the loud but fun part. Put into a blender in batches if needed. Carefully pour into the blender.
Put the blender on high setting until it gets foamy. Time to assemble.
Pour your delicious foamy hot chocolate into as many glasses as you need. Sprinkle your marshmallows and enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Now enjoy your foamy hot chocolate.